Hello everyone, welcome to Cricket Next. I'm Bansal Shah and I have with me Soumya Kapoor. Now we are here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. DC is going to play LSG tomorrow in a do or die game for both the teams almost, but a bit more for DC because if they lose, they are surely going to be knocked out of the tournament. They are currently with 12 points. So Soumya, how important is this match going to be for DC? Considering that if they lose, they are definitely out of it.
Yeah, so it's been that case in this IPL. As we move to the fag end of the league stage, सबके matches बहुत important हो रहे हैं, and the permutation combinations have been such that it's getting very tricky for all the teams. जो भी 3 या 4 नंबर के पास है, जो भी टीम है 6-7 नंबर तक उनके लिए बहुत tricky situation है. तो yes, Delhi Capitals के लिए एक बहुत important game है. They win, they kind of move ahead. They lose, they're out of the equation. So yeah, a lot depends on this game. Plus, just team के साथ खेल रहे हैं, they are also kind of down and out because as you see, hammering defeat they have suffered at the hands of Sunrisers Hyderabad. LSG को जिस तरीके का हार मिला है उस मैच में, that is surely gonna impact a bit of that morale thing. वो कहीं ना कहीं वो impact आएगा. So I just feel it's kind of a advantage DC I would say because एक थोड़ी सी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट टीम शायद होगी because this is a high scoring ground as well. और जिस तरीके का bowling performance LSG का था, तो कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें बहुत सारे टैक्टिक्स अपनाने पड़ेंगे. यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज करनी पड़ेंगी अपने स्ट्रैटेजी में. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गेम फॉर बोथ द साइड्स, बट आई वुड स्टिल से DC have kind of an edge.
Okay, now as you mentioned, this has been the highest scoring round throughout the tournament. It's a strike rate सबसे ज़्यादा अब तक का as far as I understand. So what will be the tactics of both the teams? You see, DC lost the last match in Bangalore. They couldn't chase a target of 180 in that range. Considering the way this IPL has gone, वैसे scores ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं लग रहे. And if you talk about LSG, their batting only in the last game got just 160 runs or something. And then when they are bowling, it's better to not talk about it. So what should be the tactics of both the teams considering this specific round?
I feel the left arm spinner will play some role for Delhi Capitals. After predicting the Kara, I feel they're going to be the key players for Delhi Capitals for the home side. But talking about LSG, a lot depends upon Kunal Pandya. Sarkar में भी ball डालते हैं, बाहर डालते हैं. So kind of a lot depends और experience है. He's a senior lad in the side. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारी चीजें उन पे depend करती हैं. But yes, as I said, there is a bit of कोई एक gap है उस bowling department के अंदर. लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स की जो मुझे अभी तक मुझे अभी तक थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व हुआ है और वो हमें दिखा, वो एक्सपोज हुआ लास्ट गेम में. रवि बिश्नोई विल आल्सो प्ले अ क्रूशियल रोल, बट रवि बिश्नोई अगर उनका खराब दिन हुआ तो ही कैन इवन गिव 35-40. तो वो बहुत ज्यादा इस ट्रैक के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा हो सकते हैं. So yeah, I mean, spinners are going to play a crucial role. Left-arm spinners.
Okay. So you mentioned that the bowling is not right up to the mark. कुछ low balls है वो bowling में, but जब Lance Klusener press conference में बात कर रहे थे, he said that what happened in the last match, Travis Head and Abhishek were exceptional first, and it seemed like they're treating it more like a one-off thing. They're not too heavily emphasizing on that bowling performance. So what do you think about that thing?
It can be a one-off thing when it's the starting of the tournament, when you're into that kind of a zone जहाँ आपको मैचेस जीतना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि आपको क्वालिफाई करना. I don't really echo to what he says, right? तो कहीं ना कहीं and ठीक है one-off thing होता है, but वो जिस तरीके का ट्रैक था वहाँ बॉल उठ के आ रहा था, that was a difficult track, but your spinners were not able to put any kind of pressure on the opposition. That is ठीक है, वो 15-16 ओवर तक भी जाता ना तो I would still have said कि यार ठीक है 10 पर ओवर के रन रेट से आपने रन बनाए, 17 का रन रेट है यार चेज में. I mean not even 10 overs. So रिकॉर्ड बनते हैं, ब्रेक होते हैं, I understand, but you can't really shy away from admitting that your bowling wasn't that good, and that yes okay that was one of the things, but one of the things this time to me.
Okay. And one last thing, Soumya, so Lance Klusener said that the conversation that happened between KL Rahul and Satish Goyal, it was more like a robust discussion between two cricket lovers, between two people who are passionate about cricket. But it didn't seem so when we saw the visuals. So how do you think this kind of things affect the dressing room, affect the tension, and affect the team overall?
See, when things come in open, they are not really good. क्रिकेटिंग कल्चर की आप बात करें या क्रिकेट की आप बात करें या फैंस की आप बात करें, तो ये सब जो ओपन में होता है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. द प्रॉब्लम इज ओके, talking to the captain, not really happy with the score line, not really happy with the result. The way they got defeated was not really good. I understand all the emotions, but you could have done that, in the back doors. Did it in the open. The camera spotted. कहीं ना कहीं वो एटमॉस्फेयर खराब करता है यार. आप कितना भी उससे भाग लीजिए, वो खराब करता है. ठीक है, केएल राहुल ने अभी उसमें कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया ऑफिशियली, हमें एलएसडी से कोई ऑफिशियली स्टेटमेंट नहीं आया. बट अगेन एवरीवन trying to shy away from. I understand why will you shy away from it. I also understand that, of course, but that was a kind of an animated discussion nahi tha. That was one way conversation. I could easily make that out. One way conversation tha, and that is not good. My only concern is open mein nahi hona chahiye, and the player with whom you're talking to is has led India across formats. And even if he wasn't the captain of the side, he hadn't led India across formats, तो फिर भी एक Indian cricketer है, and there needs to be some respect. That's what my take is.
Right. So we don't think that any kind of statements are going to come out from KL Rahul or from the franchise either. It was supposed to be in-house in the dressing room or in the team hotel, as Soumya just mentioned, but it was not the case. However, the last match here at the Arun Jaitley Stadium will be played tomorrow. We'll bring you more updates. Thank you, Soumya, for all the insights. You stay tuned to Cricket Next. We'll bring you all the updates from the match.